Welcome back, guys. Just got to the spot. I can barely reach it on this side. Feels like my pack gets heavier every time I'm out here. Alright, I'm walking in. I've never walked in this way before. But the wind's going like this, and I want to go to the field to the right. Wind's coming in like this, and the tree line to the left here is where I hunted opening day. This is where the deer were. So I need to see if there's any trees around here. This is where the deer were walking also. I was in one of those trees, I think, down there. It's Thursday, September 22nd. We are 1 week into deer season, and finally we had a cold front come through. It was raining earlier today, and right now the weather is about 61, 62 degrees. So a big 30-degree drop compared to what we had last week, which was like 95. So we're roughly about 25 to 30-degree drop. So I'm expecting deer to be moving earlier than what they usually are. It's about 4:15 right now, and I'm set up in the tree. And I'm set up in the exact same tree as I did opener, so it's been a week since I've been in here. I try not to hunt the same tree twice. I don't like to do that to be mobile, but I didn't scout enough this area to know which other trees I can do. I need to put in some boots on the ground again and do some scouting, but I'll show you my setup here. Got my camera, same thing, bow on this side, and about 3 sticks up. This backpack might give it away. Big old thing hanging off the side of a tree, but I guess we'll find out. This is my strong side shot, but again, like I said before, this is primarily where the deer are going to be coming from, and the wind's coming like this, so it's blowing into this woodlot behind me, and there's another field back there. But the tree that I found way down there that I need to carry on to get into, so I'll have to do that next time I'm out here, where these little piles of bushes in this field, I need to buy a ghillie suit and set up in one of these and do a ground hunt depending on where the deer are coming out. So my friend Sam should be somewhere over there today. And there's that big old woodlot in between 2 fields, and it starts over here and it ends all the way down at the edge of this field, and it's like this big section of woods. I'm expecting deer movement to be coming from there. I wanted to set up at the edge of the field down there, and I actually got a good spot that I'm going to try out later. And I need a carry-on stand though. You can't saddle hunt it, but down there in the edge of the field the field, it kind of splits off, it forks into two, and there's a little tree over there, but it's only about 7-8 feet off the ground. There's one little opening, but I need a carry-on to fit in there. With the saddle it won't work. So I'll have to do that next time, depending on where the deer are coming out. But who knows, the deer could be on a totally different pattern. Alright, so it's about 5:15 right now. I've been sitting here for probably an hour now. I got set up here about 4:15, so yeah, about an hour. Wind is staying really consistent, right in my face, right into this tree line. So anything in this field or in this road, it's not going to smell me, unless it comes out behind me, but I'm pretty high, so my scent should dissipate over the trees, but you never know. Hoping to see some action tonight, but it's actually like borderline chilly, which is really nice. I love it so much. I'm so sick of the heat. I like this cold. It's about 60 degrees right now, but with this wind blowing, I don't know, it's probably staying a good 10 miles an hour consistent. Could be like 55 with the wind chill, 53. So it feels really good, really nice. I'm hoping something will come by within bow range. That'd be nice. I was texting Sam not too long ago. He's also in this unit hunting somewhere north of me. I actually parked next to him, but apparently the spot that he wanted to hunt, there was another hunter in there. So now he doesn't know where to set up. He has to practically set up somewhere blind. That's what you get when you come to public land. I've had that happen to me so many times. That's what I hate about public land. Good thing this tree wasn't taken. It's a pretty good tree, pretty good spot. It'd be even better if I shot a deer out of it. Just had a doe and her baby run out across the field. They ran out of the thick stuff, and they ran right behind some more thick stuff. So it's out of my sight, but they look like they were in a rush. I don't know if this wind has anything to do with it. Maybe they're spooky, or maybe somebody spooked them, but they came running out of that big tree line on the other side. It's the same ones I saw last week, big mom and a doe. Hopefully no stupid coyotes after them. Hopefully they're just trying to stay alert or something, I don't know. It'd be nice if they come over here.